personal leave, personal leave, personal leave, unpaid leave, unpaid leave, unpaid leave, medical leave, medical leave, medical leave, bereavement leave, bereavement leave, bereavement leave, public holiday, public holiday, public holiday, personal leave. For example, I have to take a personal leave for a family emergency. Unpaid leave. For example, she decided to take an unpaid leave to travel. Medical leave. For example, he is on medical leave after the surgery. Bereavement leave. For example, I'm on bereavement leave due to the loss of a family member. Public holiday. For example, our office will be closed during the public holiday.